Hello, my name is Leonard Joubert. We'll be doing computer science and internet, parts 1 and 2, viewing files, information, and creating a smart folder. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to view information. You want to right click on your file, go to get information, and there goes your icon. You got the full cell doc. It also shows you how the size of the file, where the file, when the file was created, how it was modified. You can also label the colors and different things like that. Okay, now moving on to the next thing we're going to do is create a smart folder. You're going to go to file, you're going to click new smart folder, and what the smart folder does is you want to search, you want to do like a random search, and instead of searching every time for something, we're going to put in my name, Leonard Joubert. Any file on my Mac will be easily accessed by creating a smart folder. So what I'm going to do is type in my name, and there go all the files that contains my name. So I'm going to create a smart folder instead of creating a search every time I want to find a folder with my name on it. So I'm going to create a smart folder. That way I can just click on the smart folder and there goes every file that I have. And I'm also going to put it into my sidebar. I'm going to label it, save it. As you can see, misspelled my name, but it's okay. This is for training purposes only. And as you see, I'm going to save it. As you see, it came up on the sidebar over there next to my favorites, and there go all the files that contains Leonard Joubert. And that's just the first few parts of the instructional video. Moving right along, parts 3 through 6, making a stack using a dock, using force quick, and using spotlight. Now first we're going to create a stack. Now when you create a stack, first you're going to do is get a new folder. The new folder comes up, and as you can see, there's nothing in the folder, so we're going to label it for training purposes. We're going to name this folder CSI stack. Now once I got my file labeled, I'm going to go to find new folder file, and I'm going to add a few files in there. I'm going to put a few files in there, maybe a couple pictures. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's put that one in there. Let's put this one in there. Okay, I'm put that one in there. And I'm put one more in there. Okay, now that I got all my files inside my folder, I'm gonna exit out, and then I'm gonna move my folder next to the trash can down onto my dock, and it's gonna place my folder right there, and that's how you create your stack. Right there, see how I got my stats created right there, and then you can change the views to fan, which is pretty much the same thing. And they got other different view selections, which is grid. You click on it and it comes up as a grid, as you can see. Gonna click on it at list, and it comes up as a list. See? And you can go to automatic, which is the default, which is the regular stack. As you can see, the inheritance is off a movie. And that's just simply how you create a stack. As you can see, there's Sierra, Turn on the Lights. I did that one for a song I had did. And also there's the Geek Squad music group logo. Okay. Now, this is what we're gonna do. This is our dock. And the dock is purely just, different applications that easily access on your desktop. You can also put applications together to create a group, which, as you can see, the GarageBand. You can also slide over if you have additional applications that you don't have on your dock. And this is your dock down here on the bottom. It ranges from everything from Microsoft PowerPoint to your calendar, and that's pretty much basically how you use your dock. Okay, now we're gonna move on to using quick force. Using force quit is basically, when you're getting stuck inside Safari or your computer get frozen, you can use a force quit to actually start over your program so it will quickly exit out. And this is how you use Spotlight. Using Spotlight, you want to press Control Spacebar and Spotlight comes up, and this is a quick way to find any file that's in your hard drive. I'm gonna look up I Got Manners. This is a song I created. I'm gonna type it in, I Got Manners, into my Spotlight. And as you can see, a lot of different things comes up. It got the top hit, which is the actual garage program, and you got I Got Manners, anything that comes up with I Got Manners, and then it goes the actual MP3 file. And if you want to check the information on that, just use the information that I had gave you to check to get information on that particular file. But that's quickly how you use the Spotlight. And alright, 7, increasing Mac security control setting preferences, changing the dock back to the original screensaver and energy saving. So we're gonna use system preferences, and this is basically how you access your security and privacy right there. We're gonna click on it, and then you got your general, you got your file vault, and you got your firewall, and you also have your privacy settings. These is how you can actually put security on different applications that's on your Mac. You can change your password, controls how often you have to put your password in, and that's how you increase the security settings on your Mac. Also go back to system preferences. As you can see, they're categorized in personal, hardware, and internet and wireless system, and others. Those are the different system preferences that you can use, and they range from your sounds all the way up to your dock and screensaver. So we're gonna go to dock. As you can see, you can change the sizes of your dock, the magnifications of your dock size. You can actually change the position of where your dock is located, and you can actually change the effects on how your applications come up. Quickly and look at that for a minute. Exit out of there. Now we're going to change our desktop back to its original screen and talk about a little bit about energy saving. So we're going to go to desktop, and then we're going to click back to its original. Bam, there you go. And that is how you save. That's how you change it back to the original desktop. And that's my presentation. Thank you, and have a good day.